Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today's video is part of Delaney Jane Cards 500 Subbies Celebration Hop. I am so excited for Renee having recently reached this milestone, and I encourage you to check out her channel and show her some love. The card I'm making for today's project is a clean and simple floral card using a stamp set from Hampton Arts that's been hiding in my stash. You may not have known this, but I've been rating my stamps lately and pulling out ones that I either haven't used in a long time or not at all. This Layer Flower Believe set from Hampton Arts is one of those. Until recently, I really didn't have a lot of colored inks that stamped well, so I've mostly stuck to using my markers. But since I got these inks from Catherine Pooler, I am in love with them. They ink very well, they do embossing well, and I just love the way that everything looks on it. So that's what I'm using here. The Catherine Pooler inks I'm using is the mini set for Party Collection foundations. So the orange color is Orange Twist, and then I'm using Grass Skirt for the greens. You're going to love the way that this turns out on here. So I've just put the stamp on my Fiskars stamp block and colored those up with those inks from Catherine Pooler. And I even took out a little swab so that I could get the little green stems in between the flowers better. And I love the way that it turned out. After I stamped that part, I went ahead and got some black ink from Hero Arts to... This is a layering stamp set, so I wanted to go ahead and put the detail on there. After the fact, I'm not 100% sure I like that better than just the color, so you'll have to let me know what you think. Do you think it looked better before or after I inked it with that black ink? Then I'm taking my VersaFine, and I've chosen a sentiment for this one from that same set. It's the Believe in Yourself and You'll Be Unstoppable. This, I think, is very appropriate, especially since Renee from Delaney Jane Cards has just reached that milestone. I am so proud of her. So I'm going ahead and stamping that down with the VersaFine, and then I'm going to heat emboss that. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and let you know a little bit more about what's going on with Renee. She's doing a giveaway in addition to this hop. Some lucky commenter will be receiving a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. The giveaway is open internationally and will be open for 1 week, so you want to make sure to check out each of our videos and comment on each of them for a better chance to win. So I used WOW embossing powder for this, and then I'm just heating that up with my heat tool. Renee is going to be randomly choosing one winner for the hop from the comments, and she'll contact you directly, and then you can email her with your shipping address. If no one claims the prize the first week, then she'll be choosing an alternate winner. So you see that I'm also using my Hero Arts nesting rectangle dies that I've got recently, and I kind of am loving a lot now. So I'm cutting out I'm getting one of those dies, and I'm cutting out the main panel. I'm going to go ahead and tape that down with some washi tape. You do have to be careful with the washi tape because it does sometimes get too sticky, although I'm not sure exactly why. I'm real careful when I remove it though, because I don't want to rip my paper. So I'm just going ahead and taping that down. And then I'll be running that through my Gemini Junior. Next, I grabbed a piece of pinkish striped pattern paper from basically from my scrap heap, and I'm doing the same thing with it. I chose a slightly larger of the dies, and I'm going to run that through my Gemini Junior as well. That'll give us a nice mat to go around the main focal point. So next, I'm going to just take my tape runner and adhere that matte panel down to an A2 size card base. And just leaving a nice crisp white line round from the background. Then I'm going ahead and putting that main focal panel on there as well, and leaving a nice mat around our main panel. That finishes up my card for today. Be sure to drop by each of the other projects on the Hop and like and comment on each of those videos. Thank you so much again for dropping by, and happy crafting!